The Dow has a tough act to follow today after closing at an all-time high Tuesday. The panel on CNBC's Squawk Box had some fun with all the media attention on the market.
Oh, we will. Oh, we will. If we get 1 point, that's another fresh all-time new high. But there's a generation that hasn't seen that.
It's a record, but what exactly does that mean? A writer for Time says the 30 stocks that currently constitute the Dow Jones Industrial Average make up a pretty narrow slice of American economic output. Analysts say the S&P 500 is more reflective of the market as a whole. The S&P 500 didn't look too bad either. It hit a 5-year high, just not an all-time one. So the market movement has the street's attention, but what will it all do to your retirement savings? HLN correspondent Jennifer Westoven says the trend makes a case for the buy and hold argument, but
at the same time, if you stayed in, that means for 5 years your money did nothing. So you can't feel great either. But at least it came back.
NPR's Jacob Goldstein isn't ready to hold a ticker tape parade just yet. He says after adjusting for inflation, the Dow was higher in 2000 and in 2007, the year of the previous high. Goldstein says it would need to rise another 10% or so to truly be considered at an all-time high. What's the likelihood of the market's gain getting gobbled up as a political capital? White House Press Secretary Jay Carney said Tuesday, quote, "I don't comment on markets," but Fox News' Stuart Varney does, and he says this isn't Barack Obama's rally, but Ben Bernanke's, because Bernanke is printing money.
$85 billion a month, to be precise. He's printing it, churning it out there. Some of it finds its way to the stock market. So there's this flow of money out of bonds and CDs into stocks, new record high.
The Wall Street Journal's Market Watch reports stock in Japan and Australia hit multi-year highs when those markets opened this morning. For Newsy, I'm Jasmine Bailey, multiple sources, a broader view.